In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wrike. First, go ahead and log into your Wrike account so you can access your workspace. Once you're inside, the first thing to understand is the layout, because knowing where everything is will make the rest of the platform much easier to use. On the left sidebar, you'll see several important sections. The search area helps you quickly find projects, tasks, and files, which is especially useful once your workspace starts to grow. Just below that is the inbox, where you can keep track of notifications, mentions, approvals, and updates. This is the place to check when you want to stay on top of activity happening across your work. You'll also find whiteboards, which are useful for brainstorming ideas and visually mapping workflows. Then you have your main space, which is where your projects, dashboards, and databases are stored. In the same general area, you'll also see the Tools section, which contains reporting and monitoring tools that help you track progress and performance. As you explore, keep in mind that projects and folders are where your actual work is organized. This is the part of Wrike you'll likely spend the most time in. To create a task, open a project and click the plus item button, enter the task name, then press enter. That creates the task right away and gives you a simple starting point for assigning and managing work. Next, to assign the task, click the assignee field and select a team member. Once assigned, the task will appear in that person's workspace and they'll also receive notifications, which helps keep everyone aligned. To manage task progress, click on a cell under the status column and choose the appropriate status for that task. This makes it easy to monitor what's planned, in progress, or completed. You can also set due dates by clicking the due date field and selecting a date. Wrike automatically highlights overdue work, which is a helpful visual cue for staying on schedule. If you want to add more columns, click the plus icon beside the last visible column. Then choose the field you want to add and configure its value by clicking into the cells underneath it. This lets you customize your project view based on the information you need to track. At the top of the project, you can switch between different views such as table, board, and Gantt chart. You can also access files, analytics, and calendar views. If you want even more view options, click the plus icon and add the view you want. Finally, if you want to create a dashboard, go to the left sidebar and under Tools, click the plus icon, select Dashboard, give it a name, and start adding widgets like tasks due this week, overdue tasks, tasks by status, budget overview, or work by assignee. And that's it. You now have a solid foundation for using Wrike efficiently.